we are about 2 years old, we learn to potty train. Because before we potty train, our brain is set up with an ability to sense from the bladder, by nerves in the bladder. As the bladder starts to fill, it stretches those muscles. There's a point in the mid part of our brain called the micturition center, where once it stretches to a certain point, it will reflexively squeeze to empty. That's why babies have to have diapers. But at about age 2, we start to learn, oh, I can now feel, I sense the fact that my bladder is getting full. And without thinking about it, we actually will contract our pelvic floor muscles, and the contraction of those muscles shuts off that reflex to squeeze the bladder empty. And that same muscle can also kink the tube that drains the bladder when you cough or you sneeze. And so the neat thing about addressing the pelvic floor muscles, this is really where the continence mechanism is controlled.